वेस्टर्न बायपासाचेर खूब लोक तुमचे स्टेट मागताले काम फुल स्विंग चालू आहा मीटिंग वॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन?
See, Western bypass issue, several mistakes have been done by several bodies. So, without talking of the past, present situation was that when we had a collective meeting with the committee members of the Western bypass and the Panchayat, it was decided that I will do the legislative part as a legislator. Political and legislatively to take the Western bypass will be taken by me. And whatever information I get from the political and legislative way will be utilized and they should go to court with all that. So, from the time I started, तुमचे जेन्ना फ्लडिंग जाल्ले थिंग WRD येयले तेंगे स्टेटमेंट्स गेले मिनिट्स ऑफ द मिटिंग्स गेले सगळे डॉक्युमेंटेशन रेडी केले. दिस इज ऑलरेडी देयर. RTI माल जाल्यार WRD सोन मेळटा. Then after that what has happened is, if you see, I have put LAQs. LAQ answer is why. That also is there. They can be used in court. Then the third thing was, in the assembly whatever we have spoken and whatever that also is there. So all this legislatively plus politically going to Nitin Gadkari along with them, discussing with Nitin Gadkari was politically how we went there, we got it connected. After meeting Nitin Gadkari, I was following up with them. Kind of assumption. That's what I went and met Digambar Kamath. I met him, I spoke to him, Garako also. Kida kota jor kida information jai pata. Te gode immediately as a local government that information I can get as a legislator. No, that information I can feed you, I can get you answers, I can get you RTIs or and that has to go together. But I think now the need of the hour is, without saying kurtolo kurpana, and as a panchayat, politically, legislatively, I am there. CM goyचे कुछ सगळे मिनिस्टर एक मिनिस्टर आहे, दोन मिनिस्टर नाही. ते मिनिस्टर म्हाकाय आवडटाय, तुमकाय आवडटाय. सो तुम सगळे मिनिस्टरा बरे वचून आनी एकूण काय आवडलं. No big difference. It is only going to show that you are not doing your job of going to court, but you want to do rest everything, which is not helping us. Rest everything I am already doing. So there is no need to enter my shoes and my head to get things done. I am doing it. I went near Digambar Kamath, I went near Gadkari, I went near the Chief Minister, went near the Governor, went near Nilesh Kabral. We have done all this. Time to time all this is connection is happening. But quota hospital, I think discussion done at hospital. So I think here we stand today as of it is. Kam chalu aha, but we are making sure. My mind is always thinking 3 months ahead. I am making my rounds to make sure की ते जोरी तरी काम तेंगे फास्ट जायना पावसा पयले आनी तेंगे बॉक्स कल्वर्ट जोरी तरी ती फिनिश जायनाय जाल्यार पावसान हांवें कितें करूं जाय थिंगा. बिफोर दॅट्स 2 ways. We are already speaking to Gadkari, we are speaking to other ministers parallelly on the legislative side, and here we are putting equal pressure because we want information now as a legislator. Whatever information I got, that has to be presented to court. Those are the new facts, and the facts can also be. So you have to come here and take. I think the panchayat was here to ask me, but see, something is missing somewhere. Nakui mugele, tondoi mugele, panchayati mugeli nu, lokui mugelo. But somewhere if you are not doing, jala loka pasot I am always padna. Coming here and asking me for documents, and then you don't come the next day to take the documents. And taking documents from me will not help. You have to have documented RTIs when you are going to court. This thing, amge also do official xerox nu teo. They are xeroxes with the department has shared, or somebody or the other has shared. So you have to take proper documentation.
See, water from Pathanai will flow directly in Benali.
100%.
And it will like a blockade.
It is not only Pathanai, the water is coming from Verna, no? Betalbati, Verna, Verna, Sogla Tishata.
PW should understand what is it.
Everybody needs to understand. Everybody needs to understand the severity. हे उडोवन वयतले हे सगळेंचे आहा ती चोयन जाना कंबा उडोवन वयतले आतां हे सगळी तर सारकें मॅनेज जायना जाल्यार सारकें ते जरी तरी ते ऊन नाही सगळें उडोवन वयतले. देर विल बी नो. इट इज जस्ट अ मॅटर ऑफ 2-3 days when there is heavy rain and it goes full swing that time. There is a failure from the panchayat for not going to court for whatever reasons known to them. But panchayat in आज कोटा वचपा जाय आसलें. It has been discussed several times over here and they have been made ready. पयशे नासले जाल्यार पयशे दिया म्हणून सांगिल्लें. We'll make arrangements. But still today they are not going to court. Reasons are known to them. But from last year till now there is nothing happening. But as you see, काम जोरान चालू आहा and I am almost every 2-3 days आख्खो एक राउंड मारता. लास्ट वीक तुमचो जातले एक टॉयलेट बांदलो थिंगा आमकां टॉयलेट काडून गेलो. वाय because I was called there. I आपको full round मारलो. You see, the planning जे जाला has happened in a very wrong manner. आता थिंगा फातोर्डाच्यान जो ब्रिज सँक्शन जालो because of the previous MLA's intervention and because of the NGT and everything what has happened from there on, because they went to court, they formed a 10-member committee, त्या 10-member committee सांगले. पण आमच्या आडीन आता तो लँडिंग जात म्हणटरी everywhere it is 45 meters width, 20 to 22, basically मोद बैरिकेडिंग आसा. आमकिंग येल म्हणटरी आता 60 meters. ताका लागून आतां आमचो ते इतली पुरो येता ते कित्याक इट इज बिकॉज वी हॅव टू हॅव 60 meters ऑफ वीथ, बिकॉज आमकां सर्वीस रोड लागलो, कित्याक ती ब्रिज ओद येयली आनी ती ब्रिज ओद येयली म्हणटरी सर्वीस रोड आमकां लागलो. सो यू वील सी दिस मॅसिव डिस्ट्रक्शन एंड वॉट इज हॅपनिंग एंड प्रेझेंटली वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन. सो continuously on the political ground, somewhere or the other discussion is happening, whether it is through WhatsApp or whether it is through phone call. The water has to pass by, काम कामा जायना. So I have already started working on that. म्हाका कोणे सांगपाक गरज ना. I have already started working. I have already seen where they are building the box culverts. And ती box culverts जर the timer complete जायना by May 15, May 20 ready जायना जाल्यार पावसाक आनीक machinery ready दवरूंक जाय. I am speaking to the contractors, speaking to the highway engineers, so that I have backup plan. They करपाक जाय. So I am working with this format, and the only option is we need to go to court. We got a lot of material now as a legislator which we have collected, and they have to push it to court, and they have to make sure it happens immediately. It should have happened 6 months back, so it has to happen tomorrow. There is no time now. We are going to delay, and in this delay there is no point in knocking doors in Goa anywhere. Garaz na. All doors have known, everybody knows. सगळ्या खबर आहा मडगांव बुडपा आहा म्हणून, दिगंबराक खबर आहा बुडपा आहा म्हणून, सगळ्या खबर आहा. So there is no need to go and keep on, wasting time. The point is you have to go to court, go to court. Nothing else is going to help. And I am sitting here, I am monitoring, I am making sure that I am contacting everyone and making sure that equal pressure is being built up. Subsides, but in that 2-3 udon gel jaल्यार human life is important. No, even one human life is important. So I am preparing myself for the worst situation. See, finally, I am taking responsibility of everything what is there today on my plate. Whether it was inherited, whether somebody had done mistakes or not, but I take responsibility of it. And I am also looking at things in a positive manner, that things will happen. That is the reason we are going. But duplicacy of things doing is no point. What is the point? What is the point in going every day morning and meeting Nilesh Kamral and hearing the same thing from him? He cannot do anything now. He said he is going to put 11 box culvert or 12 box culvert. That is his decision. So now we have to go for central. Now for central we have already started the discussions. So that discussions have to fall in place. In the meantime, you have to put pressure on them by going to court.
Then already पुरयलें सगळी शेतां.
See, court is very powerful. Court आनी तुवें पुरयलो काडपाक. आनी दुसरी गजाल कितें जाता, स्टिल्टाचें देखून कोतो जाल्यार पुरोवचें पडटा. 60 meters आहा तें कडेन 30 meter या 40 meter पुरोवपाक पडटालें. आज 60 meter पुरयलो. हाल जरी ऑर्डर येयली की स्टिल्टाचें कर म्हणून दे हॅव टू एनीवे रिमूव इट नो आफ्टर. तें काडचें पडटा. सगळ्याक इज गोइंग टू हॅपन द सेम वे. सो दॅट इज नॉट एन इश्यू. तें काडपाक जाता. वी वील गेट दॅट बॅक, बॅक द लँड, द फर्टायल लँड आहा तें मात काडून हें करपाक जाय. दॅट इज हाव द प्रोसेस इज.